a beautiful country so hidden that even most Europeans have never been there, where women possess a rare combination of beauty, intelligence, and power. It is easier to win their hearts than American women that you simply don't see in Western Europe anymore. Even you can live like royalty on a teacher's salary. Watch the full video and comment me below if you're curious. This is Slovakia. This beautiful country located in the heart of Central Europe. Slovakia borders 5 countries: Poland to the north, Ukraine to the east, Hungary to the south, Austria to the west, and the Czech Republic to the northwest. Though modest in size, around 49,000 square kilometers, it holds a rich, layered history and culture that spans centuries. The current population is over 5.4 million people, mostly ethnic Slovaks who are quiet, not flashy, but once you know them, they're open, straightforward, and deeply loyal. It's a character you'll find reflected in everything from their architecture to their food to the way they treat strangers. The capital, Bratislava, sits along the Danube River, just a few minutes' drive from the Austrian border. One architectural highlight not to miss is Bratislava Castle. From there, you can see the borders of 3 countries, Slovakia, Austria, and Hungary, from a single viewpoint. It's one of the few places on Earth where you can stand in one country and literally see into 2 others. But what makes Bratislava truly unique is that it's the only capital city in the entire world that borders 2 other countries simultaneously. You can have breakfast in Slovakia, lunch in Austria, and dinner in Hungary, all without more than a 30-minute drive. Slovakia officially became an independent country on January 1st, 1993, after a peaceful split from the Czech Republic. Before that, the region belonged to various empires: Roman, Hungarian, Austro-Hungarian, and more. This layered history is visible everywhere you look. The population of Bratislava is about 431,000 people, making it the smallest capital of any EU member state. This is actually a good thing because it means it's not overrun with crowds. You can walk through the city without fighting through masses of tourists. You can actually have a conversation without shouting. Most tourist attraction, Bratislava Castle, dominates the skyline, a massive fortress sitting on a hill overlooking everything. From there, on a clear day, you can see Austria to the west and Hungary to the south. It's literally possible to stand in one place and see 3 countries' borders. If you walk through the streets of Bratislava, you will see quiet, polite people. You can easily mix with them. But once you're close, they're open, straightforward, and deeply loyal. But if you ask any visitors what stands out most, many of them will say, the people, especially the women. Slovak women are strikingly beautiful, often admired because of their natural beauty, friendly behavior, and healthy lifestyle. Their appearance is a mix of Central European and Slavic features. Slovak women typically range in height from 165 to 170 centimeters and maintain excellent physical fitness. But here's what's different from Western Europe. They don't obsess over it. They don't spend hours in gyms taking selfies. Many Slovak women have clear skin, light to fair complexion, and sharp facial features like defined cheekbones. Their eyes are usually blue, green, or light brown, which gives them a very soft and attractive look. Hair color varies from blonde to brown, often naturally straight or slightly wavy. Their body shape is usually fit because Slovak women are active. Many enjoy hiking, cycling, skiing, and walking as the country is full of mountains and nature. The healthy lifestyle and fresh European diet help them stay in good shape. Slovak fashion is simple, elegant, and classy. Women love wearing stylish coats, jeans, dresses, and comfortable shoes. Their style changes with seasons: warm coats and boots in winter, and light dresses in summer. They prefer natural makeup and clean, polished looks. In lifestyle, Slovak women value family, education, and personal freedom. They are hardworking, independent, and well-educated. Many speak English and love traveling. They enjoy cafe culture, meeting friends, going to parks, and spending weekends outdoors. Friendship with Slovak women is warm and honest. They like people who are respectful, polite, and straightforward. They don't like loud or fake behavior. They prefer kindness, honesty, and good manners. But here's the real reason they're so attractive, and this is what most travel blogs won't tell you. Slovak women possess something intangible. It's confidence. It's intelligence. It's the fact that they don't care what you think of them. They're educated. Many work in tech, medicine, law, and business. They have ambitions, goals, and they pursue them relentlessly. They value honesty over flattery, substance over flash. They want real conversation, not Instagram likes. They look at you with directness that can be intimidating if you're not used to it. And that directness, that honesty, that's what men find absolutely magnetic. What percentage of you watching this have actually been to Slovakia? Drop your answer in the comments. I'm curious how many people have actually experienced this firsthand. Life in Slovakia offers a sense of balance. It's not as flashy as Western European capitals, but it has all the conveniences people need to live, work, and rest comfortably. In my experience, this is the European country where living costs are very low and you can live well without spending much. Slovakia is a country where you can live like royalty on a teacher's salary. In the capital city of Bratislava, monthly living expenses for a single person, excluding rent, range from €1,000 to €1,800. The average net salary is around €2,000, which is enough to cover basic needs with careful budgeting. For a family of 4, total monthly living expenses may fall between €2,500 and €3,000, most of which go toward housing and food. Housing in Bratislava comes with many options. A one-bedroom apartment in the city center typically rents for €500 to €800 per month. If you move to the suburbs, rent may drop to €300 to €400, which suits young people or students. If you're looking to buy property, the average price is about €2,500 per square meter for apartments outside the center. Old Soviet-era apartment buildings are still common, but most have been renovated to be clean and comfortable. Some newly built areas offer more modern designs, but prices are higher too. Public transportation works efficiently in major cities. Bus, tram, or city train tickets usually cost under €1 per ride, with monthly passes priced around €20 to €30. Inner-city trains are fairly punctual, reasonably priced, and connect many towns and smaller cities. For job opportunities, Slovakia's economy is built on industry, services, manufacturing, and technology. Wages for general jobs range from €800 to €1,200, while technical, IT, and finance roles can reach €1,500 to €2,500 per month. Knowing Slovak is clearly an advantage when applying for jobs, especially in local companies. Foreigners working at multinational corporations, tech startups, or in education typically use English as their main language. About 80% of tourists visit Slovakia between July and September. In July, the Pohod Festival, Slovakia's biggest music festival, takes place, drawing tens of thousands of rock, indie, and street art fans. It's a celebration of youth culture, creativity, and freedom. In September, the town of Pezinok comes alive with the Vinobrania Grape Harvest Festival, a celebration of the wine harvest season. Locals dress in traditional costumes, parade through streets, and share wine and food with visitors. It's authenticity combined with joyful celebration. The most beautiful spot is Mariánske námestí Square, lined with old Baroque and Renaissance townhouses. It's not too crowded, never chaotic, and perfect for anyone who wants to slow down, enjoy a morning coffee, watch locals shop at the market, then head out in the afternoon to hike the hills or bike along tree-shaded paths. Slovakia holds over 6,000 caves with intricate systems, passages, and underground formations. The most famous is Demonovska Cave of Liberty, known for unique stalactite and stalagmite formations and underground streams. It's like stepping into another planet. Ochtinska Aragonite Cave is so quiet that if you stand inside, you can hear your own heartbeat. It is one of the only 3 aragonite caves in the world. The cave is located in Ochtina, in central Slovakia, inside the Slovak Ore Mountains. Its unique crystal formations make it look like a natural wonder. The most famous is Demonovska Cave of Liberty, where you can walk through passages carved by water, see formations that took 1,000,000 years to create, and stand in chambers where the silence is so complete, it's almost deafening. If you thought Switzerland had the best mountains in Europe, you need to see the High Tatras of Slovakia. Rocky peaks reach toward the clouds. Mirror-like lakes reflect snowy summits. The air is so crisp and clean it tastes like nothing you've ever breathed before. Whether you visit in summer or winter, the High Tatras are a paradise for hikers, trekkers, and anyone who simply wants to stand in majestic nature and feel small. Slovakia is one of the safest countries in Europe. Violent crime is rare. While in Slovakia, if you need emergency assistance, call 112. English language support is usually available. And if you have been to Slovakia, what was the moment that shocked you most? Comment me below. Thank you.